Hello students, today we are going to learn about electronic mail. Okay, so what happens when you send a message to your friend? So what is the main procedure? How the message is being sent? We will see today. Okay, so there are two main components: user agent and message transfer agent. Okay, so these two components are used to send the email. Okay, so user agent will always prepare the message. Okay, so once the message is prepared, it will send to MTA client. Okay, it is a responsibility of MTA to send the mail to the server's MTA, which is present on different network. Okay, so once the server's MTA got the mail, it will forward to user agent of server. Okay, so user agent will produce a list of all the mails, okay, which the sender has sent. Okay, so when the receiver log into into the Gmail account, he can see all the mails. Okay, a user can read all the mails. Okay, so we will read from the content. Sender email. The user agent prepares the message and it will send to the MTA. Okay, so user can send more than one mails. So we have used queue here, which will uh, which will hold all the messages. Okay, so when a new mail comes, it will go into the queue. So there is a queue of all the mails. Okay, so the MTA functioning is to transfer the mail across the network to the receiver's MTA. Okay, so it is a responsibility of the MTA to transfer the message from client's MTA to server's MTA. Okay, as you all know that SMTP protocol is used for emailing. Okay, so here SMTP commands are also used to send and receive the mail. Okay, and client MTA always establish the connection with server's MTA through port number 25. Okay, it uses the TCP port number 25. It is a TCP connection. Okay, so sender will send the message to MTA, and once the message receives to MTA, then the client MTA will send the message to server MTA. So now what is the procedure for receiving the email, we will see. So the user agent at server side checks the mailbox at a particular time of intervals. Okay, so user agent will keep on refreshing and uh, keep on watching if any new mail has have been received. Okay, so new mail have been sent by MTA server. So if the user agent got any new mail, then it will inform to the receiver. Okay, so receiver will get a notification when a new mail comes. And okay, so if so when a user tries to read the mail, it displays the list of mails with a short description. Okay, in the short description, title can be written of the mail. Okay, so by selecting any of the mail, user can view the content of the mail. Okay, so this is a main procedure which follows while sending and receiving the emails. Okay, so you just have to remember that two user agents and two MTA are used. Okay, it is important. Okay, so user agent always prepare the message and MTA will always forward the message to the server's MTA. Okay, and MTA's connection is established on port number 25 and it is a TCP connection. Okay, so in exam if they ask about email architecture, then you can draw this diagram. Okay, and you can explain this content. Okay, so we will continue in next lecture. Thank you.